On this episode of How to Engineer Fuck the Mechanic, we are working on a 2020 Chevy Silverado 6500 HD. This is the diesel. We have a coolant leak. Guess where the coolant leak is coming from? The water pump. So when we look up things to figure out how much time it's supposed to take and all of this other stuff to do these jobs, they give you an allotted ETA or whatever. All data shows that in order to get the water pump off, you have to, it is no choice, you have to take the harmonic balancer off. Why do you ask? Let me show you why. Get a good old zoom in there. Do you see? I don't know if you guys can see that. Oh, there it is. Do you see that bolt? Yep, hold on. It's trying to hide from me. That's how shitty it is. You see that bolt right there? That is a stud and a fucking bolt. You have to take that out in order to get the fucking water pump out. What does that tell you? This is quite frankly one of the dumbest things that I believe I have ever seen in my entire existence. Harmonic balancer. Stupid bolt. Just to get the water pump off. Engineers make all the money. Guess who keeps getting fucked over? This guy. I'm sick of this shit.
Number hustle, yeah. My dude, Eddie G, hustle, number one. That's all we know. Yeah, number